Filters add a certain aesthetic to your image, and the invert filter, well, that's a complete different aesthetic. So today I'm going to show you how you can instantly and easily add an invert filter to your image using Pixelide. Pixelide is a web-based design tool that has the answers to all your design needs.
So to get to our editor, type in pixelide.com/upload, and here we are. Now you can either choose around from Pixelide's library of templates, or you can upload your own image like this. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelide's editor. Now to invert this image, just select it, click on this button which says image effects and filters, go over to the filters tab, and you see we have a bunch of different filters that we can apply to this image. So the invert filter is right over here, just click on it to apply it and it's done. Now you can either go to this download button and download this image right now, or you can wait to see what more we can do using Pixelide. So obviously we can add some more filters like this vintage one, or this brownie one, or this sepia, and more like that. But let's head over to this effects tab and see what we can do over here. So we can make some basic adjustments like increase or decrease the brightness, change the contrast, play around with saturation, emboss, hue, vibrance, or even sharpen the image. But let's close the basic adjustment and see the cooler stuff, like how we can add a blur to this image. Okay, looks cool. Okay, under the film grain effect, we can add some noise to this image like this. And then we can pixelate this image. Some people don't like to use the blur effect, instead they use the pixelate effect. So if you are one of those people, Pixelite has got your back too. But I'm going to set it back to 0. And when you are done playing around these features, you can click on the download button, select a format. Let's say I want a PNG, and click on this download button again to download this image. So you see how easy it is to do some basic editing and add some cool filters to this image using Pixelide. It literally took us some seconds to add this invert filter and then the sepia filter, and then we made some basic changes like adjust the brightness, saturation, contrast seamlessly.
Alright, so we saw how easy it is to add a filter to any image with Pixelide. And not just a filter, we also saw how we can tweak its contrast, brightness, saturation, and all that. And that's the thing with Pixelide. You can do almost everything with the same ease. So go to pixelide.com/upload and make some aesthetic changes to your images. Also, stick to this channel because Pixelide has got a lot for you in store.